Hello everyone, myself Aradhya Gupta from class 3rd B from Sri Ajay Gajera English Medium Primary School. Friends, I am here to share my craft ideas. So today we are going to make scrapbook. Friends, I am very fond of making craft, and So friends, now we has collect all stickers and we has cut down one by one. All the pictures are ready. Now next step is, so friends, now I'm going to take piece of cardboard and I will cut it into rectangle shape. Take A3 size of black paper. So now we will stick the paper on the front cover of the cardboard. We will stick the paper on the cardboard. Okay, see, now I stuck it. Now we have to keep in the middle of this and draw a line
on both the sides.
On the both side of it. So I just stick two sides of it. I just cut two strips of same size. Now we have to stick it like this that it haven't hard. Here, open it.
See?
You know what is the reason of sticking this strip? Let's see. You have to fold from one side, then another side. The inner part will stick white paper. So now you stick it to Fevicol. A4 size paper. Now I have to cut it smaller than the front cover. See, when I cut it the pages, now we will stick one by one. For buckle these pages, we need a file clip. See friends. Ready. Now friends, keep this in the side, and now with stickers just cut, stick it one by one. See friends, this is the symbol of Sunita Makerspace in which competition is participate. So friends, now we are going to start with sticking part. Friend, my first page is ready for. I have collected all paper. Now I am going to do punch. So I have to do. See friend, I did it punch. Now I am going to put in my file. See friends, I have set all the pages in my scrapbook. See friends, my scrapbook is ready.
बस
Thank you. Bye bye.